Welcome to our comprehensive guide on indoor plant cultivation methods. In this video, we'll explore 5 distinct approaches to growing plants indoors, each with its own set of advantages and considerations. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting your indoor gardening journey, this guide will help you choose the method that best suits your needs and preferences. So, let's dive into the world of indoor plant cultivation and discover the exciting possibilities it offers. If you find this video informative and helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and leaving a comment below. Your feedback is invaluable and helps us create more content that caters to your interests and questions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regular updates on gardening, home decor, and other engaging topics. By subscribing, you'll stay connected with our community of plant enthusiasts and receive notifications whenever we release new and exciting content. Thank you for being a part of our channel, and let's continue to grow together, both as gardeners and as a thriving online community. Container gardening. Description: container gardening is a versatile and widely practiced method for cultivating plants indoors. It involves growing plants in various types of containers, such as pots, hanging baskets, or window boxes, filled with a suitable potting mix. Pros: versatility. Container gardening allows you to grow a diverse range of plants, from decorative flowers to herbs and small vegetables, indoors. Control. You have precise control over soil quality, moisture levels, and fertilization, which can result in healthier and more vibrant plants. Mobility. Containers are portable, making it easy to rearrange your indoor garden to optimize light exposure and aesthetics. Aesthetic appeal. Container gardens can serve as attractive indoor decorations, enhancing the overall ambiance of your living space. Cons. Limited space. The size of the container restricts the size of the plant, making it unsuitable for larger plants. Maintenance. Container gardens demand regular attention, including watering, repotting, and soil management. The choice of container and potting mix can affect maintenance requirements. Drainage issues. Proper drainage is crucial, and overwatering or inadequate drainage can lead to root rot or other plant health issues. Light requirements. Depending on the plant species, ensuring they receive adequate sunlight can be challenging in indoor environments with limited natural light. Hydroponics. Description: hydroponics is an innovative method of indoor plant growth that eliminates the need for soil. Instead, plants are grown in nutrient-rich water solutions. Pros: efficiency. Hydroponic systems often result in faster plant growth compared to traditional soil-based methods, as plants receive essential nutrients directly through water. Space saving. Hydroponic setups can be vertical or compact, making them ideal for indoor spaces with limited room for traditional gardening. Water conservation. Hydroponics typically use less water than traditional gardening because water is recirculated within the system. Precise nutrient control. You can fine-tune nutrient solutions to meet the specific requirements of each plant, optimizing growth. Cons. Initial cost. Setting up a hydroponic system can be expensive due to the need for specialized equipment, such as pumps, grow lights, and nutrient solutions. Complexity. Hydroponics involves a learning curve, and beginners may find it challenging to maintain proper nutrient levels, pH, and overall system health. Equipment maintenance. Hydroponic systems require regular maintenance to prevent clogs, leaks, or equipment failure, adding to ongoing costs. Power dependency. Hydroponic systems rely on electricity for pumps and grow lights, increasing energy consumption and costs. Aerogarden or hydroponic kits. Description: Aerogarden and other hydroponic kits are designed for simplicity and convenience. They typically include pre-seeded pods, a hydroponic or aeroponic system, and integrated grow lights. Pros: ease of use. These kits are beginner-friendly, featuring all-in-one setups with pre-seeded pods, making indoor gardening accessible to newcomers. Year-round growing. With these kits, you can grow plants year-round, regardless of outdoor weather conditions. Compact design. Aerogarden kits and similar systems are often compact and can fit on kitchen counters or windowsills. No soil mess. These systems use hydroponics or aeroponics, eliminating the need for soil and the associated mess. Cons. Limited crop selection. You are limited to the types of plants provided in the kits, which may not cover all your preferences. Initial cost. While convenient, these kits can be more expensive than traditional container gardening methods. Pod dependency. To continue growing after the initial kit, you'll need to purchase replacement pods or source your own seeds. Space constraints. Kits are typically designed for small-scale indoor gardening and may not meet the needs of those looking for larger yields. Terrariums. Description: terrariums are miniature, self-contained ecosystems enclosed in glass containers. They are well suited for low-maintenance plant growth, including succulents, air plants, and mosses. Pros: low maintenance. Terrariums require minimal care, with infrequent watering and a hands-off approach to soil management. Aesthetic value. Terrariums serve as attractive indoor decorations, adding a touch of greenery and uniqueness to your living space. Self-sustaining. Sealed terrariums create self-sustaining ecosystems, reducing the need for ongoing maintenance and attention. Space efficient. Terrariums are typically compact, fitting easily on tabletops, shelves, or windowsills. Cons. Limited plant choices. Not all plants thrive in terrariums, limiting your plant selection to those that can adapt to the enclosed environment. Moisture levels. Overwatering can be a concern, especially in closed terrariums, potentially leading to mold or plant rot. Limited plant growth. Growth is typically slow in terrariums, and you may not achieve the same lushness as with other methods. Lighting requirements. While some terrarium plants tolerate low light, others require brighter conditions, which can be challenging to provide indoors. Vertical gardening. Description: vertical gardening is a space-efficient method that maximizes the use of vertical space. It involves planting on vertical structures such as walls or specialized vertical planters. Pros: space optimization. Vertical gardens are ideal for small apartments or homes, maximizing the use of available space. Aesthetic appeal. They can serve as visually striking indoor decor, turning walls into living art pieces. Good drainage. Many vertical planters come with integrated drainage systems, reducing the risk of overwatering and water-related issues. Customization. You can choose plants that match your aesthetic preferences and lighting conditions. Cons. Limited plant selection. Not all plants are suitable for vertical growth, limiting your options compared to traditional gardening. Maintenance challenges. Watering and maintenance can be more challenging, especially for plants higher up on the vertical structure. Lighting. Ensuring that plants receive adequate light may require additional lighting fixtures indoors, which can increase energy consumption. Initial setup. Setting up a vertical garden can be more involved, potentially requiring wall mounting or specialized structures, which could incur additional costs. In conclusion, the choice of an indoor plant growth method depends on your preferences, available space, and commitment to maintenance. Each method has its unique advantages and disadvantages, so consider your specific needs and goals when selecting the right approach for your indoor gardening endeavors.